So this video is all about Cornucopias, I think is that how you say it. So here we can see this is a gaming coin and they were on Cardano and they're gonna launch onto Base. But what's good about them is like you can buy a node and be part of the infrastructure and get rewards. So you can get passive income by being a node and you can get loads of nodes. But another great thing is the nodes, if we go onto their website, so the nodes right now is on a discount of like 285. Goes to sell, and you have to register and join Discord and these other stuff as well, which I've already done. But then if we go to sell, so the base one, and you're going to need to make sure you got the if be on base network, put some USD on your base network, some Ethereum on your base network. Well, Ethereum on base is cheap, but you need some USD on your base network to cover the costs. So what's great about them, because if we click here, we can see what in tier 2, so maybe it's week 2. I'm not sure how fast each tier goes, but right now you can see it's 285 for this NFT to have a node. But later on, that same NFT will be 1,025. So me, I want to get at least one or two, maybe one this week, maybe one at 25%. Well, it depends how my profits go and other stuff. Because maybe tomorrow I made more profit and buy one more of these. Because I like to have at least 500 in certain stuff, so that 10x is 5,000, things like that. So if we go back, I kind of already did this anyway, but you would have to click mint in tier 2. But because I've already done it, it wouldn't let me try another one while I've got one already in order. So I have to, for me, I'll have to go to orders, and it's already one I've done. But because I didn't have USD on my system, it wasn't going through. So now I've got the USD on my base. I can go retry mint, continue, and it'll link to my MetaMask account. Confirm. And let's see, because last time I having some problems because I didn't realize, I needed to do it through Base. I was on the Ethereum network. For successful mint, you will need to accept the spending cap approval and wait for it to be included. So order details, checkout initiated, standalone. So let's see if it's gone through yet, because that's still what I was saying before. I think I want ordered. In order details, I want it to be saying purchase, not initiated. But this is basically how we do it. So refresh. Let's have a look. Let's check my base network. There we go. I think it just said minting for order completed. That's what we like to see. Let me see more. So mint your NFTs complete. It should show in your wallet shortly. You can also view your order on the marketplace. So let's see if I go here now. So it's basically done. So that's no longer my orders there. Payment successful. So add suggested NFTs. This allows for the following asset to be added to your wallet. So where I press confirm, there we go, add NFT. Let's have a look. So NFTs, and there we go. So file node access. So we're good to go. So, and make sure you join the Telegram. We've got loads of there's other coins as well. That there's one got airdrop coming. You can check on the Telegram link description below. There's some pre-sales. I think there's still 22 hours for that pre-sale of one because on Pink Cell, most of them don't get all of the 5 badges. Meaning they got KYC, they've been audited, they've got the other documents. So this one's got all of the documents, all the 5 badges. So it's a good one. Less risk, although it's still a meme coin. But Cornucopias, if you join the Telegram, we've got a gaming narrative. We've got loads of tabs, AI, Deepin, Oracle, Layer 1. We've got tabs for each thing. So it's good to stay up to date and you can ask some questions and things like that. I've got a different video Check it out if you're a newbie, what the blockchain actually is from the internet, encryption, how things have moved on to people and like HSBC, Barclays, all using the blockchain, and this war between coders, code makers, and code breakers. Because now, from that evolution to now, imagine you're able to play games, but instead of it being on one server, because this is what Cornucopias is basically doing, instead of you playing games and it's all on one server, all the files and pixels and all the assets you need is all on one server, now you can be part of the server. You are a node, so all the people are using your computer and you're part of the system, and because you're letting that happen, you're getting passive income. So it's really futuristic ways of gaming. So what else can we see about core and you'll be getting paid in copy, and right now we can see copy is 110% in 1 year. Let's see their max. So their max, this big jump here from November 2023. Some big jump between November and December. Correction. And we know bull run starting and their market cap is only 68 million. So this gaming, so it's what it can be really profitable because you'll be getting paid in copy. Me, I still want to buy some copy on the side to actually be invested in that way. But in this way, I can earn copy as well and be part of the game. And I've even got to actually play in the game. So we can make another video and seeing how their games actually play, how to play marketplace. Let's see. Early access pre-alpha, how to play, who can play, qualifying game assets, NFTs. We're introducing assets and stages, and eligibility is determined by the ownership in the game. Assets, NFTs, as are to do any vehicle. So yeah, so I've got NFTs, so I should be able to play. Support of GPUs. Our game experience is optimized for a specific list of GPUs. So you can see here if you've got the support of GPUs for good about the game. Let's see what the game's about. So, well, your journey in the massive open world of Cornucopias starts now. I think that's the first time I said it right. Let's see. Let's watch the trailer. I don't think it will play the sounds, but let's have a look. I wouldn't say I'm a big gamer like that, but I am an investor. Interesting. I used to be a bigger gamer, but so it'd be good to start getting into these newer metaverse games and stuff like that. Exploration. And then there's racing as well, commerce. Discover new and exciting ways to participate in Cornucopias. Welcome to the resource gathering and trading. Players can explore the different domes to gather resources such as minerals, plants, and animals. These resources can then be traded with other players or NPC merchants to earn in-game currency. Building and construction players can use the resources they gather to construct and upgrade buildings, vehicles, and other structures. These can be used for personal use or renting out to other players for a fee. Questions. So it's like a real world just online and you can make money. Let's see, racing. about the game racing. So get ready for some high-speed action in the Cornucopias Racing League, where players from all around the world come to compete for glory and in-game currency, build, customize, and upgrade